Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy khichdi. Start by rinsing rice and lentils and soak briefly while you chop vegetables. Sauté onions and tomatoes until softened, then add spices and simmer to form a thick gravy. Stir in drained rice and lentils, add broth, and simmer gently until cooked through. Finish with fresh herbs and a drizzle of ghee for warmth and shine. Gather ingredients and prepare them before you start cooking to keep the process smooth and calm. Measure rice and lentils, chop vegetables, and mix spices in a small bowl. Heat oil in a wide pan, then sauté aromatics until fragrant for a deep flavor base. Add tomatoes and cook until they break down into a loose paste before adding spices and liquids. This prep-first approach saves time and reduces stress. Use medium heat and steady stirring to avoid sticking and ensure even cooking. After the gravy forms, fold in rice and lentils, coating them well before adding warm broth. Lower heat and cover, cooking slowly so grains absorb flavor and reach a creamy texture. Check occasionally, stirring gently to prevent lumps and add more broth if it seems dry. Finish with a pinch of salt, fresh herbs, and a spoonful of ghee for silkiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.